How to turn on or turn off auto framing for video call effects on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Phone app and select Contact and click on Video Call. And if you want to turn on or turn off auto framing, and scroll down, and here showing you video call effects. After click on call effect, so here showing you auto framing. So after click on auto framing, so if you want to turn on auto framing, so turn on, click on, you will see auto framing is turned on. If you want to turn off auto framing, click on off, you will see auto framing is turned off. You will turn on or turn off auto framing from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off auto framing for video call effects on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.